It is written in the book of 1 Samuel chapter 17 about the fight between David and Goliath. The Israelites were at war with the Philistines, and their giant warrior Goliath challenged anyone to fight with him. All the Israelite soldiers feared him. David declares that victory comes from the Lord. As Goliath mocked David, this little boy, David slung a stone, striking Goliath on the forehead, and Goliath fell to the ground. David defeated him, showing that courage and faith in God are greater than strength or size. Then the Israelite soldiers chased away the Philistine soldiers from the battleground. Thank you for watching.